Hey guys, it's Will Kelly here with Wholesaling Houses to Freedom, and today we are going to be calling the Denton, Texas water disconnected list. And so the way that I acquired this was I hopped on the cityofdenton.com and I put in a open records request, and I was very specific on how I asked. I asked for single family homes that have had their water disconnected for 6 months or longer in the last 2 years within the city limits. And that request took about a week to come back, and I have it now. It's in a spreadsheet with all the property addresses. So I am going to get in contact or try to get in contact with the owner and see if they're open to selling their property. Now, if you are in a different state or city, you can absolutely just hop on the county records or website, whatever city or county website you're at, put in an open records form and request that information. It's all public information, and they should be able to provide you with that. So to start off, you are going to need a cell phone, and I don't call on my personal phone number. I actually call on my Google Voice number. That is my business line, and for anyone out there who's looking to cold call, I would recommend not to use your personal line, because when you get a call in, you don't know if it's for work or if it's for personal, someone trying to get a hold of you for personal reasons. But I did a whole video on that, on how to properly set up a Google Voice number. If you want, I will leave my YouTube channel in the description so you guys can check out that video and set your Google Voice number up properly. But with that being said, I have my computer here. Whenever I'm cold calling, I'm sitting down at my computer. I've got a spreadsheet up with all the property addresses, and I'm going through and I'm skip tracing these people while I'm calling them. So I am pulling their names, I'm pulling their phone numbers, and I'm pulling their email addresses, and I'm updating my list so that it's up to date. And so if I can't get a hold of them through the phone, I send out emails to each and every person, and it's a customizable email that I put their actual address in the subject line and say, hey, I want to buy your house. Give me a call. I can make you a cash offer. And it's very personalized so that they don't see it as spam mail. But with that being said, hopefully you guys find some valuable information and tips and tricks in this video. I know for when I started, I was super scared, super nervous to pick up the phone and start making phone calls. But I'll tell you, if you do 100 calls a day, you'll get over that feel real quick. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm literally going to walk you through this as I go. This is going to be the very first phone call, so hopefully they answer. What I use is I use truepeoplesearch.com. Now I used to use a software called, or a website called REI Skip, but for one, it takes like 72 hours to come back, and it is a paid service, and I don't know, I just found this website and it's completely free, and I like being able to be the one to sit down and manually put in my own information while I'm calling them and updating it. So I like free, and hopefully so do you. So it's called truepeoplesearch.com, and I am actually using the reverse address lookup because the city of Denton provided me with their property addresses and no names, no numbers, nothing. So I'm personally skip tracing these guys. So I put in the first address here. And if you guys want, I can do a video on how to, so you guys can see my screen as well. But for now, I just wanted to focus on more of the conversation aspect of the cold call. So this is, let's see, hopefully these guys answer. So I'm putting in the number 8156. So the minute I click dial, while this thing is ringing, I am updating my spreadsheet. Okay, so that number is no good. 940-387-8905, and all this is efficiency. So there's three numbers here. I'm calling number 2, and I'm scrolling down on this. If you guys are familiar with the website, So that number is no good as well. So I'm going to call the third number, 987-8156. And then while, again, this is ringing, I'm coming down here and I'm pulling the email addresses and transferring them over.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected.
So on this one, I was not able to get through a phone number, but there is 2 email addresses that could potentially be theirs. So I am transferring this data over.
Hello?
Hey, good afternoon. Is Clarice available?
No, she just stepped out. I'll tell her you called.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So I know that this is a good number because that person answered the phone. So when I go to my spreadsheet, I am putting a green background on this number because it's a good, I got a good number. You know, I got through to them. So once you start updating your tracker list and things like that, you'll start to figure out certain tips and tricks that you guys can start to do, because when I'm calling, you know, there might be some, you know, 4 or 5 numbers here and I call all of them, and you know, I might not get through to all of them, but it's just very important to update it as much as possible. So this one alone had 4 different emails that are potentially linked to this person. Not all of them work when I send out my blast email, and I shouldn't even say blast email because I really do email these people directly, person by person. I don't send out just one blast email.
I'm sorry, your message cannot be recorded as this user's mailbox is full. Please try.
So because it rang all the way through, I am going to save this number underneath this user or this owner, potential owner.
Hello?
Good afternoon. Is Natalie available?
She's not here. I mean, she hasn't got home from work yet. May I ask who's speaking?
This is Will, and I'm actually giving her a call in regards to a property I believe she owns in Denton, Texas. But if she's not home, I could probably just give her a call maybe later tonight.
She gets home around 5:30 or after.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try to.
And you're dealing with who?
I'm Will, and I'm calling in regards to the property that she owns in Denton, Texas.
She wants to buy property in Texas?
Yes, I'm looking to buy property.
Oh, okay. That's fine. This is her mother-in-law. I live with her.
Oh.
I'm just curious.
Yeah. No, I came across her property, and so just wanted to give her a call and see.
Okay.
All right. Well, you have a.
5:30, be fine.
All right. You have a splendid day.
You do too, Will.
All right. Bye-bye. So again, that number got through. I know that is her number. So I put it in my spreadsheet as green, which means I got through, and I did confirm that it is Natalie's number. So I will be giving her a call later tonight. And she has no emails associated with her. So on to the next one.
Please leave your message for 21471088830.
Hey, good afternoon, Juan. This is Will, and I'm actually giving you a call in regards to a property I believe you own in Denton, Texas. It's on McDonald Drive. Give me a call when you can. Just wanted to reach out and see if you had any interest in selling the property. If so, give me a call. My number is 469-209-5225. Thanks and have a great day. So that guy definitely ignored it because it rang a couple times and then it went straight to voicemail. So I don't know if that's the owner though, but because there were quite a few owners on this one. But we'll just keep on moving.
your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Justin, this is Will, and I'm giving you a call in regards to the property I believe you own in Denton, Texas on Willowwood Street. Just wanted to reach out to you as the owner and see if you had any interest in selling the property. If so, give me a call back. My number is 469-209-5225. Thanks and have a great day. Okay guys, new day, new calls. It's a Saturday, so let's crush these phones. I like Saturdays because people aren't at work. Most people aren't at work, and more people answer their phone. So let's get to it.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Hey Lori, this is Will. I'm giving you a call in regards to a property I believe you own on 909 Emory Street in Denton, Texas. Give me a call back. I just wanted to see if you had any interest in selling the property. 469-209-5225 is my number. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon. Hey Bob, this is Will. I'm giving you a call in regards to a property I believe you own in Denton, Texas. It's on Emory Street. Just wanted to get in contact with you as the owner and see if you had any interest in selling the property. If so, give me a call back. My number is 469-209-5225. Thanks and have a great day.
Hello?
Hi, is Bob available?
Is this it? Calling, please.
This is Will. I know this call is kind of out of the blue, but I'm actually calling about a property I believe he owns in Denton, Texas.
I'm sorry. Could you say that again? We're driving in rain, and I can't hear you.
Oh, no worries. I'm actually calling about a property I believe you guys own in Denton, Texas.
We have not sold any property in Denton, Texas.
It's the one that I'm looking at is on Emory Street. And
No, we do not. No, we do not. We do not have any property for sale or have sold any property in Denton, Texas. I think you have the wrong person.
okay. All right. Well,
Okay.
I apologize.
Okay. That's all right.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a
Bye-bye.
great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You have reached the voicemail box of 68.
Hey, good afternoon, Tanya. This is Will. I'm giving you a call in regards to a property I believe you own. It's on Westway Street in Denton, Texas. Just wanted to get in contact with you as the owner and see if you had any interest in selling the property. If so, give me a call back. My number is 469-209-5225. Thanks and have a great day. I don't know if you guys saw me click the pound button when I get the voicemail, but it just pushes the calls along a lot quicker instead of having to sit there and wait for that 8-second voicemail of just hitting the pound button, and it just directly cuts you straight to the voicemail. Now that doesn't work all the time. Sometimes it asks for a passcode, which is kind of annoying, but most of the time it works and it saves a lot of time. So,
That's fine.
hey Bob, is Jacqueline available?
Is Jacqueline available?
Yes.
No, she's in Arizona.
Okay.
Who's this?
This is Will. This call is completely out of the blue, but I'm actually calling in regards to a property that I believe she owns here in Denton, Texas.
I don't know. I mean, do you not have her cell phone?
I don't, unless it's the 8006 number, but I just gave her a call on that one.
You gave her a call on what one?
The last four is 8006.
8006?
Yes.
I don't know, it doesn't sound familiar. Give me your number and I'll have her call you.
It's okay, awesome. My number is 469.
Hold on a second.
Okay.
Okay. 469.
209 5225.
And what was your name again?
Will.
Will what?
Kelly, Kelly.
property there in Denton?
Yes, in Denton, Texas, on Ross Street.
Oh, I don't know. I'll go ahead and I'll touch base with her and have her give you a call.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Bob. I truly appreciate it.
Okay, bye.
All right. Have a great day. Bye. Good afternoon. Will speaking.
Yes. This is Mrs. Fox, and you had called us and we were on the road and I could not hear you. I did get a transcript on my phone and wanted to call you back and let you know we have not owned that property on Emory Street for 20 years.
Really?
Right. It was sold about 20 years ago.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
Okay?
All right. Well, thank you so much for the information.
Absolutely.
All right. You guys have a great day.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
You also. Bye-bye.
So I just had a phone number call me, and I answered the phone, and they immediately hung up. So I will return the call because this could be a $10,000 lead or deal. I shouldn't say lead, deal.
Please leave your message for 4692233.
Hello?
Hey, good afternoon. Is Andrew available?
This is him?
Hey, Andrew. This is Will, and I know this call is kind of out of the blue, but I actually came across a property I believe you own in Krugerville, Texas.
Yeah.
It's on Sherry Lane, and I just wanted to get in contact with you as the owner and see if you had any interest in selling the property.
Maybe why?
Because we're looking to purchase some real estate out here in that area in the near future, and if you were looking to sell, then maybe we could work something out.
Okay, well, I'm at a movie right now. I'll have to call you back.
Okay, not a problem. We can give you a call back maybe in a day or a couple days. Sorry to bother you. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video with Wholesaling Houses to Freedom. And I know today's video was a little long, but I put a lot of effort and time into these videos. So if you guys like what you saw, hit the like button, leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so I can keep doing these educational videos and bringing you, the viewer, more value. Thanks guys, and have a great day.